Jebb presents Season 2, Episode 21. Welcome, friends. I'm going to start this video where we left off on the last 221 video, and I want to start with talking about discs. So these are half the discs. I only emptied this tube here, but you can maybe see there's another tube on this side, and it still has a cap there, kind of moving around. There's the screw there. So as I undo that screw, this is the other end of the screw here. The screw tightens on this, which holds the discs in there, and then a cap is put on to protect it, to close it. So what we're going to do is, and that's maybe too little, so we'll get something slightly larger. There, we're getting some turn on that. So now we can see, maybe if the light is good, this is all moving, the screw is coming out of there, and now I'll be able to, there's the screw. Now I'll be able to remove the discs. Thank you for watching this short preview clip. I hope you enjoyed it, and this will publish Thursday coming up. Please do remember to subscribe, and I want to thank you for viewing and liking and subscribing. Your support is very much appreciated by the machines and myself, Jebb. Adios, amigos.